In lesson 5.5, we're going to take a look again at direct variation. Number 1 is direct variation because it's a straight line and it goes through the origin, 0, 0. Number 2 is a straight line, but it does not go through the origin, so it's not direct variation. Number 3 does go through the origin, but it's not a straight line, so it is not direct variation. Number 4 is a straight line and it goes through the origin. Remember, it doesn't matter which way the line goes, as long as it goes through the origin and it is a straight line. Remember that the formula for a straight line is y equals mx plus b. The formula for direct variation would be y equals mx, because the straight line crosses the y-axis at the origin, which is 0, 0. Now let's identify whether some formulas are direct variation or not. Number 5 is direct variation. The slope is 4 over 1, which is a straight line, and it goes to the origin because there is no b. Number 7 is direct variation because the slope is up 1 over 2 consistently. And we can see that it goes through the origin because there is no b in the formula. Number 8 is direct variation because, as you can see, the formula can be changed to 1/5 over x. So the slope is up 1 over 5 consistently. And it goes to the origin because there is no b. I will explain number 6, 9, and 10 on the next video. We can see that number 11 is direct variation because the pattern is consistent on the x's and on the y's. It's a straight line and it does go through the origin. And the slope is 2 over 1 or 2. We can see that number 12 is not direct variation. It's not a straight line. The x's do have a consistent pattern, but the y's don't. They start out with -1, -1, then go to +1.